Well, then the Prime Minister spent a good an hour and a half in a very useless meeting. I don't think it was useless. We never got Mr. Kit Chambry to meet with us, not the first time we were here in February, not now, for the meeting that we had asked to discuss a number of very serious allegations. But he came to the meeting that we had with the Prime Minister as part of the people accompanying the Prime Minister. And he did make a statement, read a statement that he had prepared, indicating that he could not answer concrete questions that we had asked, that we had conveyed already, because he was under obligation of, because of his involvement in being subject to the judicial inquiries. We still want to see these questions answered, and we've made indeed this point very clearly to the Prime Minister. Here there was this very tragic and very singular event of a journalist assassinated with a bomb, which suggests that there is indeed not just a purpose to instill fear on everybody, but there is a methodology that involves often methodology of organized crime, which suggests that indeed there is a link between the purpose of instilling fear in the people and at the same time the methodology. So one more reason why this needs to be investigated.